amazing Anusha Mani.
Good afternoon, everybody. Before I sing this song, I just want to say that it's such an honor to be a part of this album. A very big thank you to Alt Balaji and Sandy Sandman Urf Sandeep Patil. Thank you so much. When I heard this song, I have to say this. I threatened him, not with a knife, but I did threaten him that if he gives this song to anybody else, then I will kill him. So thank you so much for this song. It's a beautiful song, and it's my honor to sing this for you. And Akshay, thank you for writing such amazing words. So here we go.
Hello, thank you so much for that, Anusha. And Anusha, I'd request you to please be on stage. Thank you so much. All right, so this was sung by Anusha. The composer is Sandman, who is with us. Sandman, can we have you? And the lyrics are by Akshay Shinde. Please come up. And what a track here. What a fabulous track. Center stage, if you. Thank you so much.
He's very shy.
Okay, Sandman, I'm sure you've heard this a lot. Sandman, is that the name? What's the story behind the name?
Actually, the last time I was told that it's just easier to find on Instagram. So it just makes it simple.
Which apparently it's not. Huh? There are like 3 other Sandmans claiming rights to his songs.
No, but it's a fabulous track. Anusha, how is it singing this track? I know I've heard you while talking and you when you were seeing the glimpses of the trailer that you're so glad that the music is part of the trailer and it sounds so good. So tell us, how are you feeling singing it?
First of all, I think in this industry to get a solo female song is so rare. So thank you to everyone who's made this happen, because I think for the longest time that I can remember, it's usually duets with 3 lines for a woman, and usually the guys get most of the lines. So thank you very much for giving me a full female song to boast about, which is great. And the song is beautiful. It was something that I connected with instantaneously, and that's because of the composition, because of the lyrics. Such a wonderful job. And it's बहुत कम बार ये होता है कि when you hear a song and you go behind the mic and it just flows. And I think this is my second song with Sandman in a month and a half. So I'm so grateful. I am. And I'm not saying this to get more songs. I truly mean it.
No, we'd love you to do more songs. Akshay, could you please tell us lyrics, Borea, what does it stand for?
The Borea came from means Bora jana. So love, प्यार में लोग बोरा जाते हैं तो जो बोरा गया वो बोरेया. Yeah, that's a new word for the industry.
All right. Thank you so much for that. All the very best for more tracks and more collaborations. Thank you. That's that's Sandman, Akshay, and Anusha Mani. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to call upon stage the name that I slipped just now. Akhil Sachdeva is going to introduce another original soundtrack, and that's what I love about the soundtracks of Broken But Beautiful. They're so beautiful, they're so soulful. There's party, there's melody, and of course there's original. So, Akhil Sachdeva, could we please have you on stage? And can we have a huge round of applause? Because there's going to be a mix of everything.
First of all, I think this is the first such event that I'm attending. I'm a Delhi boy, and I started this country's first ever Sufi rock band called Nasha back there in 2010, and I made my debut with Humsafar in Badrinath Ki Dulhania, and then Kabir Singh Tera Ban Jaunga. So Ekta I know since quite long, and she's stolen few of my songs. This was one of them, and I think I'm very emotional also right now, and the whole production team and everybody knows about it. This is one of my oldest songs that I've written and composed myself almost 9 years back. So now it's finding its destiny and the place. And the best part is without changing the lyrics, anything, it's coming as it was meant. So I think this is one of the most special songs, and it's the heartbreak song of this Broken But Beautiful. I met Vikrant a few years back at my friend's place, and I never knew that I'll be singing for him. So this is O Sajana, one of my most special song for you guys. And it's not as how I'm gonna sing in the series because it's all produced. I'm just singing an unplugged version. I'm nervous yet I'm so excited. Yeah. But here we go. एक बार हाथ भर के थोड़ी सी तालियां हो जाए भाई साहब. Thank you.
That's written, composed and sung by Akhil Sachdeva. एक बार फिर से तालियां हो जाए. What nervous. uh, how was it making this song? Yeah, picture. Come, pictures are later. Hanji, come this side. You want me to help you with the? Come. All right. So how was it preparing this song? मतलब बहुत दर्द है इस गाने में. बहुत of course there's a lot of melody, beautiful music. How did this song come along? कहाँ ख्याल आया ये lyrics कहाँ आए ज़हन में?
Actually, I've gone through a lot of pain with this song. So I started my band and I was performing at Delhi City Fort Auditorium, and I jumped from the stage. It was an 11 feet stage, and I jumped and I broke my leg. And after 5 days, I think we had a show in Jhansi. And during that period of time, I just wrote the song. And in the sound check, I just played it to the audience, and I think it got such an amazing response from the audience and my band. And then I played this song for 5 years in North India in my live concerts. So I think, but it was meant to be here and Broken but Beautiful. So it just came here, and Ekta took it
Wow.
since so long. But abhi unko realize hua. So I'm glad. And she has so many songs, but I'm glad she chose this one.
That's wonderful, and that's why we say we're all a little broken, but always beautiful. Thank you so
Absolutely.
much,
Thank
and all
you.
the very
Thank
best
you so
for
much.
this and many more. All right, and now we're going to call up on stage, last but not the least, another very talented music composer and singer who has won many hearts, the one and only Vishal Mishra, whose amazing songs from Kabir Singh and many more has got us all grooving. So let's give it up for the man himself. He's going to be singing Teri Ho Gayi Haan, sung by him, composed by him, and lyrics by, guess who? Him.
Being in front of you guys, I am so happy that I'm getting to collaborate with the most beautiful team that I love. I did Kaise Hua from Kabir Singh with them, and it's amazing to get back to Balaji as well, because I just did a film called Jabariya Jodi with them as well. So it's been a beautiful experience, and I'm so happy that I can present it one-on-one before the song has even released to you. So you tell me how you like it. That's Shubham on the guitars with me. He has played Kaise Hua as well, if you have heard the song, and produces. We have produced this song together. It's also co-written by Mr. Kaushal Kishore, who wrote lyrics for me. There was a film that I did called Notebook this year, so it was written by him. So I hope you guys like it.
was wonderful.
Thank you so much.
बहुत सारे लोग आपके हो गए हैं वैसे. Thanks
Thank
to
you
your
so much.
songs.
I always actually wanted to write a song about. I think हम अपनी आम जिंदगी में भी बहुत ज़्यादा इस confusion से गुजरते हैं कि do I love this person or do I love this person और नहीं ये सही नहीं है या है या नहीं है. And finally to come to a conclusion in a song, you know, कि नहीं शायद everything might be beautiful around me, but falling in love with you is the most beautiful thing in the world. So I'm so glad that I got this opportunity. Thank you so much. Seriously.
क्या बात है. But you've again, of course, written it, composed it, sung it. कैसे कर लेते हैं आप? कहाँ से आती है इतनी energy? I think everybody is, full with all of that energy. But let's ask you, how do you do it? How did you manage this one? ये ख्याल कैसे आया?
It's the most divine and vulnerable process. I always believe जब एक artist गाना बनाता है या कोई भी काम करता है, acting करता है, direction करता है, story लिखता है, even producers, they are in a very vulnerable state जब वो काम कर रहे होते हैं. And finally when it happens, you feel great about it, and that's why I always pray कि हर artist को understanding और companionship मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है, because they are very vulnerable. When it happens, then the story inspires, and I saw some visuals. They were so beautiful, and especially the song that I was asked to make. When I saw the visuals, and I was like, oh, यहाँ पे इस तरीके का कोई गाना आना चाहिए, and it happened because of the visuals only.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Vishal.
Thank you.
And now we'd like to request all of the musicians to come back on stage for a group photo. Now is the time for photo वाले uncle. आप ले सकते हैं बहुत सारे photos. आइए. Anusha, Sandman, Akshay, Akhil, everybody on stage, please. Vishal, you can stay on stage.
Can I please invite Kaushal, who's also written the song, if you don't mind?
Please do. Anybody and everybody who is a part of this.
Kaushal, please, quickly. He's co-written the song with me, so.
Also, we welcome the director of the show, Harsh Deria, to please come on stage. How happy are you to be for Z5 to be associated with this beautiful series?
Superbly excited. It's so beautiful, the energy here today in the room. The 3 songs just fantastic. We just couldn't take our Anusha, Sandman, Fitrat. You're topping all charts with Fitrat. Vishal, Akhil, excellent. We must ensure that all of our shows have some rocking songs. I think we'll do better than Bollywood.
Yeah, well. We wouldn't like to disagree. That was absolutely beautiful. Any favorite song? Any favorite part? Any favorite?
I think all 3 were superb, and Fitrat also. Yeah, I mean, I think we are doing so well here. Akhil, you were just excellent, and Sandman, I think, has become a household name now. Like, I don't think you have to ask him anymore why Sandman. He already has so many followers on Insta.
That's true. That's true. But well, I mean, yeah, sure. That is so true. But that name just has that thing that Sandman. When I call him, I can imagine him flying and coming. All right, but thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And Harleen, wow. Is that one word that comes when we look at you and your expressions? Yaar, your chemistry is so irritating. Matlab, you know what I mean, right? Like you're there but not there. It's there but it's not there. So how has this experience been? Now it's season 2 of Broken but Beautiful. Kaisa lag raha hai?
I'd like Vikrant to talk first. He's senior. Please.
All right, okay.
I've learned so much from him, so I'd have
no,
him talk
please.
first.
That's
She's
the
just-
chemistry. That's
Actually, that is it. Thank you. Yeah, it is truly an honor, to be associated with this project because I belong to the cities. I am from Bombay, born and raised in Bombay, and जो ये complexities होती हैं interpersonal relationships की हम कई बार फिल्मों में भी नहीं दिखा पाते हैं, कुछ किताबों में पढ़ लेते हैं, लेकिन उसे पर्दे पे हमने बहुत कम ही देखा है मेरे ख्याल से, according to what I think. So the nitty-gritties of interpersonal relationships, the complexities. I don't want to block your Z5. Yeah. Great. Come in, Harsh. So the writing, I really have to, give it off to the writer at first to create something because मुझे ऐसा लगता है even the musicians, the creators, the singers, I personally think writing and creating music something that does not exist. हमें तो पूरी script मिलती है, हमें directors मिलते हैं guide करने के लिए कि आप ये कीजिए वो कीजिए. But when it comes to musicians, when it comes to writers, I think to create something out of thin air that does not exist is absolutely commendable. So I would really request you all to give a huge round of applause to the music artists here and the writer Reshu Nath. She's done a commendable job yet again. And half our job is easier, as you said. हमारी chemistry भी जो है वो कैमरे के सामने, I think it's because of the incredible crew and team that we have and a wonderful ensemble of actors. They really take off a lot of your load, make your job look a little better than what it is. So yeah, that is what I think it is, and I hope the audiences enjoy watching the second season as much as we did making it. I got a chance to work with Harsh for the first time on this, and it was a heartwarming experience. हाँ, shoot करते वक्त I think एक कई बार ऐसे होता है because these platforms are a little lengthier than a feature because आप 2-3 महीना shoot कर रहे होते हैं, you have to deliver a lot more number of minutes. But उस टाइम पे ऐसा लगता है कि अरे यार चलो ख़त्म करो यार, थक गए, घर जाओ. But now when you look back at the amount of hard work you've put in, it's very heartwarming. And thank you all to Balaji. Thank you Ekta especially. It's she's someone who's very, very close to my heart, and Z5 as well. So yeah, that I wouldn't want to take much more of your time. Otherwise, I'll keep on talking.
But you sound amazing. क्या आवाज़ है यार आपकी?
नहीं, ये mic का कमाल है, ऐसा नहीं है.
Really, seriously, height hoti hai modesty ki, but very nice voice and you have a good voice. But
Thank you so much. Can I become an RJ?
Are you asking me? You should be saying this. Of course. है कि नहीं यार, आवाज़ है कि नहीं Vikrant? Vikrant, say just say like, hey, hi.
Hey.
ये बहुत ही normally आप अच्छे sound करते हो, but thank you so much for sharing that. Yes, Harsh would like to share something. क्योंकि हरलीन ने बोला seniority.
Seniority के हिसाब से. Thanks, Harleen.
I only look old. I'm not that old.
अरे in terms of
Okay. Okay. Well, I just got lucky, right? I think being a director, all I have to do is talk. मैं कुछ करता नहीं हूँ. My cameraman does the work. My art directors do the work. My costume stylists do the work. The actors do the job. I just faff. So I got extremely lucky with great set of actors, a superb team, crew, and fabulous producers who always supported me through everything. So yeah, I just got lucky. There's nothing else to it, and it was great. I mean, like he said, the complexities and shit. I was going to say. The feelings that you get out of it is like in performances, right? All the actors, right? It is so complex, the scenes, that it was not easy to scrape those thin feelings out of it, right? And they've done a great job, so that's why we have something special, I hope. Thank you.
yeah.
And
Harleen.
sorry, I will just hijack for like 20 seconds. I really have to mention Sarita Tanwar and
Yeah, we were
Ashwin.
just about to call them on stage, actually. Let's do
yes,
that.
I think we must have them on stage.
Let's please have the producers of the show, Sarita Tanwar and Yukti, the two beautiful additions to the eclectic ensemble, Gaurav Arora, Anuja Joshi, with Pooja Bhamra, Akriti Singh, Jitin Gulati. Yeah, Poppy, Mehrzan Mazda, Gaurav Arora. I did say Gaurav. Please come if there's anyone.
Please come up, guys.
And before we go ahead, Vikrant, can I please allow Harleen to speak now?
Oh yes, please, please.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's come here today. It means a lot to all of us. Thanks a lot for all the love that you gave to season 1, which is why we're all sitting here today. Season 2, I will start by saying that how it started off was, it all started off in a rush, and it was like, oh, this is the delivery date and we need to deliver, and this is how now we need to start backwards. So hats off to the production team this time, to Yukti, to Sarita ma'am, to everybody, Harsh sir, Shreya, the DOP, everyone. Literally they worked day and night to put this together. On the same date, that's right. 27th November season 1 release हुआ था, 27th November 2019 season 2 release हो रहा है. So I hope ये हमारा lucky number हो. So big thank you to all of them to put it all together so beautifully. And yes, like Harsh sir said, I also really got lucky by getting this project. To have Ekta ma'am back this, Sarita ma'am, and then to have an actor like Vikrant opposite you, वही काफ़ी nerve-wracking था कि पता नहीं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं, you know, 15 साल की उनका experience है और मैं barely 15 महीने शुरू कर रही थी, तो मुझे हमेशा nervousness होती थी, but I didn't want to ever give him a feeling कि यार ये किसको ले आए सामने. तो मैं कोशिश करती थी कि अपने थोड़े नोट्स बनाऊं और अपनी प्रेपरेशन करके जाऊं. तो मैं बिल्कुल सीन के पहले ऐसे बैठी होती थी कि अच्छा ये फीलिंग, अच्छा यार ये ग्राफ एंड देन विक्रांत आता था मक्खन की तरह करके निकल जाता है, एंड बी लाइक एक्सपीरियंस. जहाँ भी मैं अटकती थी हमेशा ही वुड हेल्प. सो थैंक यू सो मच विक्रांत. That effortless chemistry comes because of that experience and because he's so good. Second of all, Harsh sir, जिन्होंने season 2 सर बाद में ढोकला खिलाएंगे सबको. So Harsh sir, when he came on board, he didn't direct season 1, but he came on board for season 2, and I was very nervous, like I always am, even right now I am. So I'm always nervous. That's my characteristic trait. So I was nervous. I was like, अच्छा पता नहीं नए director के साथ वो सही करेंगे या मैं सही करूँगी या सब गलत होगा, पता नहीं. But when he came on board, it just became such a smooth ride because he's a very saras director and he gets a lot of bhavna on the set. So that was the word he used to keep saying कि भावना correct है, एक और करते हैं. नहीं भावना right है. So it was just such a smooth sailing ride with him. जो हमारे मेकआउट सीन्स एंड ऑल थे वो उसमें मैं बहुत नर्वस थी कि पता नहीं कैसे करेंगे ये. एंड सर मैं सर के पास गई, आई सेड सर थोड़ा एस्थेटिकली करेंगे ये वो, एंड सर वुड जस्ट बी लाइक तेरे से ज़्यादा मुझे प्रॉब्लम है, जितना करना उतना कर ले ऊपर से. सो आई वाज लाइक कि मेरी और सर की तो जमेगी, और वैसे ही हुआ. So, and obviously all the other amazing actors that we have on board, Pooja, Akriti, Jitin, ये सब तो थे ही पहले. And this time we have all the new people who've joined us, Anuja, Gaurav, Preeti ma'am, everyone. Poppy was always there. So everyone, the actors are fabulous. So yeah, it just turned out to be a very, very lucky project. The script, जैसे आपको पता है, बहुत ही कमाल है. So yeah, thank you so much for giving it so much love. I know मेरी speech थोड़ी लंबी हो गई. And the songs, sorry, I missed it. I love the songs. Again, I was very, very nervous कि season 1 के तो बहुत अच्छे थे, season 2 के क्या होंगे. But season 2 also has turned out to be so amazing. I love all 3 songs. I just cannot pick one. They're all so amazing. So thank you so much. And thank you all. Thank you.
Wow. Harsh, we'd like to know how much of, yeah, pass the mic. If someone could pass the mic, let's play passing the puzzle. Just be stop hua. Yeah, Harsh. Okay, so can you tell us how much, we've spoken about her, the chemistry, wow, amazing couple, kya dikh rahe hain, kya jhagad rahe hain, but off the camera, behind the scenes, क्या ऐसी केमिस्ट्री रहती है या दोनों किसी बात पे झगड़ते हैं? You have to let us know.
Before getting that, I also have to tell you about Anuja and Gaurav.
Yes.
Right. So everybody else was always a part of season 1. So they already knew each other. They had a certain chemistry. Now there were 2 other characters who have joined this season. And have like a solid role there, right? And they've also done a fabulous job.
Woohoo!
Right? So yeah, Gaurav and Anuja, right? The chemistry. See, the thing is,
Off the camera.
Off the camera. My checks are still pending.
Ooh, so we're not going to get to know anything.
But we had a great time, right? The thing is, I mean, I hope everybody would agree, but just in general, the vibe used to be so good. Everybody was so positive. I think mainly because it was all women-driven set, right? We had we had women HODs, we have women producers, and so that's why there was so much love and there was so much passion. Yeah, Shreya, come.
Please, can we have you on stage?
That's her DOP.
Please come up, please do. Shreya. Okay, I'm not going to get my check now.
Yeah, so
she's one of the coolest technicians I've ever met in my life.
Woohoo!
A huge round of applause for Shreya ji. Okay, please continue.
No, yeah. So basically, there was so much love and passion always that the chemistry was much later thought. It was just that everybody loves everybody so much that we were just always flowing in bhavna.
All right. No, that's okay. That's okay. Yes? All right. Can we also, if there's some special anecdote somebody would like to add, because we really want to know what goes behind something so beautiful that we just saw on screen in front of us. Gaurav, would you like to add something?
Gaurav.
Yes? Gaurav. Since you've been...
They've already added. I just would say that Harsh, ST and Yukti, they really fought for me to be in the show. And
Really?
I mean, really, thank you. It was all, I hope it's all worth it. The amount of effort that you put in. Yeah, I mean, extra, I think these are the best people to talk.
Yeah. Would you, Sarita ji or anybody would like to add about your favorite music?
Yeah, sir,
Anything
I'll
about
just
your
hand over
songs?
the mic to Sarita ji right now.
I don't have any favorites. I can't pick.
I
love
know
them
it's
all.
most difficult
Like,
question,
I love all
hence I'm
my
asking
actors. I
you.
love all my songs. I just love everyone. I'm a loving person. You need to ask Anuja something.
Anuja is very good with anecdotes.
Come on, Anuja. What is your favorite part of Broken But Beautiful, the series?
I don't have a favorite part. It's the whole experience for me was, it started off being very scary because I feel like a new kid at school. I'm also brand new in India, so that's on top of that, on top of being brand new in India, brand new to a show that's done so well with such a team that already has a great relationship with one another. And the way I was accepted, and I felt like everyone was taking care of me from day one. So I also don't, it was easy. It was a lot of fun and it was very easy. My first shot was extremely challenging scene. And I remember being like, is this a test? Are they trying to, what's going on? And I did the scene and I somehow got through it. And I walk out and I see Vikrant on the monitor, like, watching this closely. And I'm like, oh God, oh God, oh God. But since then, we have a great friendship, and he's been incredibly supportive. Obviously, I look up to him immensely. He's so talented. And the whole thing was an honor for me. Thank you. Thank you. And the music is incredible. Thank you.
Where was this shot? The entire series, like season 2, where was it? Right here? Bombay itself? यार मैं क्या मतलब कौन सी भाषा में बोल रही हूँ? Every time I speak something, he goes like.
It's all Bombay. The story is
Alright.
Bombay, so it was all Bombay.
And how?
For a few shots, we went to London and then Morocco. Yeah, no, everything was Bombay. Everything was Bombay and little outdoor.
What is? I mean, that's the most asked question. That season 2 में, I mean, without revealing details, सबसे बड़ा फर्क क्या लोगों को दिखने वाला है? I'm sure everybody here wants to know. I mean, we've seen that difference. We've seen the chemistry again. But what is that the audiences are going to go with?
Complexities, the baggage. I mean, I think, like, you know how in real life, like you can't just think straight. There's nobody simple. As simple as when you go to buy mangoes also, you're like, ye wala lu, 80 rupees wala, 90 rupees wala, right? And this is about love. This is about affection, right? About passion. So the amount of complexities that people have is what is there in this show. And I think that is what you'll take from this.
Yeah, sorry.
I want to add Reshu's line since she's not here, she left. Reshu said that last year Broken One was about epic heartbreak and this time it's about epic romance.
Whoa! Is that now?
Yeah, I just wanted to add a couple of things to what you asked. इस season में लोग ऐसा अलग क्या देखेंगे? Most importantly, what I think, and I'm really looking forward to, is relatability. As he said, you know, जो human nature जो होता है वो हम black and white कभी नहीं होता. There are always shades of grey. Like unless and until we are hypocrites and we don't want to look towards our negative side. But इस सीजन में लोग कहीं ना कहीं हर किरदार में जो दोनों नए किरदार इस बार भी जुड़े हैं सीजन 2 में, I am absolutely sure that a lot of people will find themselves in those characters, and if not themselves, they will definitely relate to those people they see on screen, because हम सब ने कहीं ना कहीं heartbreaks देखे हैं, romance हमारी खुद की ज़िंदगी में होता है. So there's a lot of relatability, and the vulnerability of human to human relationships, how vulnerable we are as people, and how on a day-to-day basis, day in, day out, we do put up a face, a facade, go out, do our job and come back. It's, you know, I think it is those moments जो हम हमेशा बात करते थे कि रात को जब इंसान जिस सोने वाला होता है, जब दुनियादारी से परे हो जाता है, when he's just about to shut his eyes and go off to sleep, I think that is the only time a human being, him or her, they are the truest form with themselves. तो बहुत से ऐसे पल लोगों को देखने मिलेंगे इस बार इस सीरीज़ में जब आप अपने आप को देखें, अपनी परछाई देखें या अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस से आप रिलेट कर पाएँ. It's absolutely beautiful. I am really proud to be associated with this project, and the entire credit goes to the writing, as she said. Reshu Nath, she's written incredibly well again this time.
क्या अंदाजा था that this series is going to be such a super hit? I mean, of course, when we make something, who'd want to answer this question? Because it really, you know, when we make something, we know it's going to be, or we want to make it something that's successful ho. लेकिन कई बार ऐसा होता है कि whoa, wow, okay, thank you. So that happened with Broken but Beautiful. So how did you feel, Harleen?
I would say that when Broken One became season 1 became such a big success, we were all overwhelmed. And season 2 की ऐसी कोई planning नहीं थी, लिखा नहीं हुआ था. पर जब इतना लोगों ने उसे सराहा, then हमने सोचा कि चलो एक और बनाते हैं, विक्रांत की dates लेते हैं. तो जब विक्रांत की dates मिली, फिर सब pressure में आ गए कि oh my god, season 2 बन रहा है अब. So I think because जब इतना प्यार मिला था, we were all very nervous because there was so much expectation. But I think as a team, we all believe in the process more than the destination. So we all believe that हम इसे मिल के मज़े से बनाएंगे. So I think that really helped. सबकी attitude काफ़ी positive थी. And it was never like hit होगा या नहीं. We all enjoyed it together and we can only hope for the best.
हर season के बाद ये एक होता है कि अब, you know, will there be another one? Because, you know, already season 2 seems exciting. Is it going to be a closure or will there be another season coming? क्या ये आते रहेगा? हर्ष? I like how you get distracted and then I just pinpoint on you.
Yeah, season 3 आएगा.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wait and watch, right? Just all of you go, love season 2, and then we'll see. Right? Yeah, and then we'll get his day.
We have the team standing here. Anybody else wants to add anything about the film, about the making, something that people have to actually watch out? Please, because this is the time.
Okay, I'll add something.
Okay.
First season में विक्रांत नहीं सुधरा था, and second season में भी नहीं सुधरा है. My umbilical cord is still attached to him, and I'm still kind of counseling him. So I hope इस season के बाद सुधर जाए. But honestly speaking, like the 2 new additions that we've had this season, it was so amazing to shoot with everybody. And of course, our new director, it was like Bhavna was absolutely perfect. And we all, as a broken family, we've just been together for 2 seasons, and it was absolutely a wonderful experience.
I would just like to add. Can
Yes,
I add
please.
something?
Of course.
I think I've always seen in films and in series that a couple reaches a particular end, and they seem to be happy, and everybody thinks their life is perfect now. I think this show goes forward and says that okay, if you truly loved somebody before, you have left a piece of yourself with them, and you still have to come to terms with that. This show is actually a way forward of once your heart is mended, what about the cracks that remain? And it beautifully, with such complexity, such nuance, and I would say the director, the writer, the actors, the technicians, हमने बहुत दिल से काम किया है, दिल के बारे में. इसीलिए ये show is very special to the audience as well as to us. I mean, the amount of love, Veer and Sameera got after season 1. Trust me, you will be hooked on to season 2 more than season 1. So on Z5, All Balaji, 27 November.
All right. Thank you for joining us, team. If you could take your seats now. Thank you so much. A huge round of applause for Broken But Beautiful Season 2 Starcast once more. Harleen, Vikrant, Sarita ji, and Aparna ji, please. All right. So we're going to take a couple of questions. So we're going to do this in 2 parts. Couple of questions from the media. We do pictures and then questions. Anybody has questions, please shoot. Mic, please. Unko. Mic in the audience. Okay, hold on. Yeah? All right. Okay, can we just hold that question 1 second? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we also now have Ekta Kapoor, the content Zarina, who is going to be with us in a few seconds and moments from now. It's now time to call upon stage the lady with the magic touch who continues to redefine television, films, and now even OTT. Can we please put our hands together for the content arena and OTT disruptor of the year, Ekta Kapoor. All right, ma'am. Here we go. We've seen the trailer. We've loved it. Please. Actually, I think before ma'am speaks, let's watch the trailer one more time. And then let's hear what Ekta ma'am has to say. Let's watch the trailer again, please. Can we? Can we have the trailer? Broken But Beautiful Season 2. One more time, the trailer for you, ladies and gentlemen. You. Harleen, Vikrant, you could. Sarita ji, aap bhi aa jaiye.
Sarita, where is she? So, Broken But Beautiful is actually a very, actually it's close to mine and Sarita's heart quite a bit because it is her first production, and for me it's important to say that it was probably the one show I decided to make just for myself. And it was a show which meant that we deal with the big tangible things about love, but the small things that get lost in the crevices have been left out. While everyone was thinking what we would do after the first season, which is broken, and we thought, what more can you do after healing? It was a big question. Sarita came and met me. Vikrant wanted to know, why would we do another season? They have both have healed, And I said, there is nothing, there's always a story after Happily Ever After. And the biggest story here is about the baggage you carry. You never fully forget, even though you heal and you forgive and you become much better. This is that story where you actually take forward your muscle memory, the heart's muscle, and that it has a memory of either pain or guilt into your other relationships. And then what happens to Samira and Veer. I hope the simplicity of this story appeals to people because it's from my heart to yours. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's call upon the... Sarita ji, would you like to add a few words? Anything. How beautiful the series has been. Yeah, आपके लिए सबसे special बात क्या है?
It's very, very special. All the actors are special. All the technicians are special. The writing is special. Everything is special.
Thank you so much for making it special for all of us.
And the music.
And the music, of course. The music is absolutely amazing. Let's have group pictures. We'd also like to call upon the team, Broken but Beautiful. Please come on stage back again, the star cast. Can we please have you all back? Thank you. Gaurav, Anuja, Pooja, Akriti, Jitin, Nikhil, Poppy, Mazda, Mehrzan. Anybody I'm missing out, please do come on stage.
The question is, the first part of the series ended, the second is starting. Is it just seamless continuation, or what was the reason that you decided to change the directors?
We've not changed the directors. The director who was doing the earlier part is busy doing another show for us only. He just finished shooting that show. So they didn't really change the directors. The director wasn't available because dates didn't match. And he's done a brilliant job himself. Harsh has, I think, outdone himself in this.
And congrats, Ekta. You have set the ball rolling for new seasons with your web series, which are thought-provoking and out of the box. So are you also planning to make the second season of your other epic series?
I've done a couple of series and I've done second seasons. I'm usually blamed of doing many episodes of the same show. I live with that accusation. Now I'm breaking it down into series.
Thank you.
Before the next question, we'll complete the photos if anybody wants more pictures. Photo ops, please.
Hello, Ekta ma'am. Ruchita here. Hi. Hi. So the songs this time is really nice. What do you have to say about the songs of this season?
All Sarita and Harsh, and this little beauty is going. You know, I'm going to call you home. I know one person will be very happy to meet you. So the songs actually have come from my team, Sarita, and actually, we have to address the fact that these two, powerhouse actors that I have with me, Harleen, who's actually almost a newcomer, and Vikrant, who's a young veteran. But I, you cannot not make songs because you have a show where this man with his chocolate brown eyes, he melts your soul, and Harleen is looking like $1,000,000. I think the show requires music. I cannot do this show without music and some sexy music by the musicians. I'm sorry I missed your singing today, but I've loved the music you guys have created. All of you, yeah. So it is a part of the narrative completely.
Thank you.
Hi, Ekta, I'm here. Hi. Balaji has been successful in films, in television, and web series with new songs and your own compositions with your artists. Will we see the production house or the venture getting into music label anytime soon?
I don't think we have that expertise yet, but in creating content of any kind, we like to keep the IP. The shows have created fantastic music. We have brilliant partners in Z5 who help us promote that music with their various arms. And we have tried to create this common IP between us. What we do later, how this medium grows, bursts, explodes, we will then see another Come, baby, come. Come. That lollipop, can I share it? So, yeah. So, we don't know the next vertical we'll set up. It's not music as of now, but we definitely want to own the IP of this music because with this kind of partnership, we can exploit it.
Thank you.
Hi Vikrant, Faizan this side from Digital Prime. विक्रांत मेरा सवाल आपसे है सीजन 1 ऑलरेडी हिट हो चुका है नाउ सीजन 2 सो एज एन एक्टर कितना प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है एंड कितना चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है एक्टर के ऊपर
I think what is more challenging is to not careful just hold on what's more challenging is कि इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में आप ना सोचें because what matters is जो इंटेंट से आपने शुरू किया था पहला सीज़न आपने ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचा था कि आप और आई डोंट थिंक कि हमारी जो टीम है वो डिज़ायरेबल रिजल्ट्स अचीव करने के लिए वो मेहनत करती है वो हम मेहनत करते हैं और रिजल्ट आगे आ जाता है वो ऊपर वाले की मेहरबानी है और लोगों का सपोर्ट है सो आई थिंक वीव केप्ट अ बेसिक्स राइट बिकॉज द सीजन 1 डिड वेल वी नेवर अप्रोच्ड सीजन 2 I really don't think there was anyone who had anticipated anything even in season 1. It was just the connect which the audiences had eventually after watching the first season that, they realized, okay, this is something which is very unique. So our approach was very simple. We kept our basics right. And we are just hoping that people like it as much as they did because I think we had a lot of fun. We wanted to just be true to what was written and probably, do justice to what was written. Yeah.
एक तो एज अ प्रोड्यूसर कितनी जिम्मेदारियां बढ़ जाती हैं जब एक सीज़न जिस तरीके से विक्रांत ने कहा कि ऑलरेडी हिट हो गया है अब आप दूसरा सीज़न लेकर आ रहे हैं सो लोगों की उम्मीदें भी बढ़ जाती हैं आपसे सो किन किन बातों का याद रखना पड़ता है किन किन बातों
आई हैव टू से दिस कि सेकंड सीजन एक सबसे वेब सीरीज में ना टीआरपी निकलती है ना क्या बोलते हैं उसको बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शंस निकलते हैं परसेप्शन जो चलता है बट आप एक बात याद रखिए अगर कोई शो चलेगा नहीं ना उसका सेकंड सीजन नहीं बनाएगा कोई सो दैट इज़ योर ओनली यार्ड स्टिक ऑन इफ समथिंग इज सक्सेसफुल ऑन वेब मुझे सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात इस स्टोरी की ये लगी कि हमारा जो बेस था एक हाई अर्बन मास बेस है डिसेंटली बड़ा बेस है क्वाइट बड़ा बेस है और अब इनके साथ मिलकर तो और भी बड़ा बेस हो गया है बट एक जो एक I don't know what to say that I have had girls who've come and stopped me and started crying and saying कि आपने जो भी किया maaf. Matlab, my mother tortured me, made me sit through television in the middle of the night. You have made Broken But Beautiful. There's a whole new age group that looked at me differently. I wasn't, my mom's a fan of you. It became, I'm a fan of you. So this Broken But Beautiful did for me. And that young girl appeal, the way it has appealed to women and men who have given too much in love, who've had their hearts broken, who've lost self-worth in a time where you're supposed to just care for yourself. Loving someone, those people are called dinosaurs because it's an extinct species. You know, you don't have that happen much. So this is a story about two dinosaurs.
Hello, hi. This is Ranjini from India Forums. Hi, Ekta ma'am. My question is to you. What is broken in your life but still beautiful?
My achy breaky heart. It is always going to be broken in different stages of his life, but because it is still love, it is beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Ekta ma'am, once again.
Hi.
Hi. Firstly, looking very nice and stunning.
You and I have a mutual admiration society, so chalta hai.
Also, firstly, you've got an award, so congratulations for the award. How do you manage so many different contents of for all the different demographies like urban, rural? What is that one thing that you see in every area that you think that okay, I should give it through through OTT?
So I think I'm a Gemini. I feel we have different personalities to ourselves. We have this thing called the family phase. When we are celebrating Diwali, we become very, Indian traditional. We speak in a certain way. When we are at a rave party, we talk in a certain way. When we have the love, people, like other people who go to rave. When you're with your lover, you talk differently. And when you're alone, so therefore there are different sides to us. So I have as much fun making Nagin, especially the Panchmukhi Nagin that I'm creating, as much I have indulging in a deep, different show like Broken But Beautiful. I think we have to celebrate that every form of art, and it is art even if you don't like it, has a different meaning for somebody else. For the common masses, television is escapism. For a broken heart, Broken But Beautiful is connection. And to somebody else, Game of Thrones is living out your inner, should I say, gladiator. So you have to have a connection with the art, and then it doesn't matter for which medium, what kind of art.
Hello. Yeah. Hi, I'm Manjari from Pop Diaries. My question is to Vikrant. In OTT and now Bollywood as well, how do you differentiate the pressure as an actor?
यार मैं ये सब सोचता ही नहीं हूँ पता है honestly because the moment I start thinking about these things I've actually done almost a decade of television also and जो मेरा mindset वहाँ बना है जो मेरी training उन 10 सालों में television में हुई है as an actor television has taught me everything that I have today and I will hopefully retain it for as long as I can क्योंकि वहाँ पे आके आपको दिन के 20 मिनट आपको देने ही देने हैं you really cannot be thinking कि आगे क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा so I keep it very simple I have a very narrowed down approach मेरे लिए medium फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है my output does not differ अगर TV कर रहा हूँ तो चलो जाने दो या film कर रहा हूँ तो ऐसा नहीं है my output is the same and luckily I say this thing luckily because अभी तक मैंने कोई ऐसी outright commercial film नहीं की है जहाँ पे box office का भी pressure मेरे सर पे है I really don't think I would want to get into that space. I am very happy coming, doing my job, going back and collaborating with wonderful people like Ekta, जो ये चीज़ recognize भी करते हैं शायद. तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लगता है the more you start operating things, the more you start twitching things, वो basics आपके हट जाते हैं, हिल जाते हैं. मैं वैसे नहीं सोचता. I take even a web series, a film, or even if tomorrow I do a telefilm or a TV show. I think my approach would be the same. मैं ये सब नहीं सोचता.
Also, Ekta ma'am, I'll take this opportunity to say that you are women goals for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you. You just made my day.
My question is to Ekta ma'am. Hi, Ayushi here.
Hi. First of all, a big congratulations on the super success of season 1, and we wish season 2 is even grander and bigger.
It'll be more heartwarming. I don't know about grander and bigger, you know.
All the more appealing, we'll say. My question is, where did this idea stem from? We've seen love stories, people go deeper into love stories. Where did the idea of delving deeper into a heartbreak and analyzing it stage by stage? We've seen the 7 stages of grief, and Broken but Beautiful somewhere covers it all. So where did the idea come from of making something so beautiful like this?
So, I thought of it one day and I called up Reshu. There was no personal experience, I swear.
Hi Ekta ma'am, this is Shruti Barjatia from Aaj Tak. इधर हेलो मैम, हाय सबसे पहले तो आप बहुत ही ऑसम लग रहे हो एंड आप ही बताओ क्या राज है आपके इस ग्लो का, बिकॉज एक साथ सो मैनी थिंग्स हैपनिंग, वेब सीरीज, टीवी शोज, फिल्म्स आर डूइंग अमेजिंग. सो व्हाट इज द राज बिहाइंड इट?
Is this boy I'm in love with? His name is Ravi.
नो डाउट. वैसे साथ ही में हम वेब सीरीज़ की बात करें तो बहुत सारे बैक टू बैक सीजन्स आ रहे हैं और ये वाली जो वेब सीरीज़ है वो काफ़ी हिट हुई है फर्स्ट में. सो क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस अब आपको है लोगों से?
आई वांट कि जिन्होंने भी अपनी लाइफ में हार्ट ब्रेक सफ़र किया हो और उसके बाद ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश की हो और फिर वो जो क्या बोलते हैं गेटिंग ओवर बैगेज वो फील किया हो, वो कनेक्ट करेगा. सो आई ऑलवेज राइट ऑन दिस शो फ्रॉम माई हार्ट टू योर्स, क्योंकि ये कहानी अब बोली नहीं जाती, ये फील की जाती है. आई होप एवरी यंग गर्ल हु फील्स लैक ऑफ सेल्फ वर्थ एक आइसक्रीम खा रही हो एंड शी माइट बी वॉचिंग दिस शो एंड फीलिंग मैन आई एम गुड इनफ, I will find someone worth me. And every boy who feels that life is over because someone just walked away from him should feel, no, I will find myself at the end of the day.
वेल एक हरलीन से सवाल है. सो फर्स्ट सीज़न बहुत ऑसम रहा और सेकंड सीज़न में दिख रहा है कि आप थोड़े भाव खा रही हैं और लड़का आपके पीछे पीछे घूम रहा है. सो क्या होने वाला है, क्या मैसेज होने वाला है इस बार?
The message I want people to take away from this is that it's very important to always stay connected with yourself. Distractions बहुत होती हैं लाइफ में. एक पॉइंट पे ऐसे लगता है कि हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ है बट हम मूव ऑन भी हो गए हैं. बट क्या हम एक्चुअली मूव ऑन हुए हैं कि क्या हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गए? शॉपिंग, पार्टीज, काम. सो इट्स नेसेसरी टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट सेल्फ हीलिंग happens when you're truly connected with yourself, and that is an everyday work. You need to go back home, like Vikrant said, जब आप सोने से पहले वो एक टाइम होता है when you're your truest self. उस टाइम पे अपनी बात समझनी, सुननी और उस पर अमल करना, वो एक चीज़ है जो मुझे लगता है should be a takeaway from this, because she is confused in this season. Her heart is telling her something, but she wants to play it safe. So and then eventually how things get complicated.
Correct.
So for an easy life, stay connected with yourself.
परफेक्ट. लास्ट विक्रांत से सवाल है. वेल आप इसमें एकदम फुल इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन नज़र आ रहा है आपका, एंड लोकेशंस की अगर हम बात करें तो फैब, पूरा शूट बहुत ऑसम है. सो कहाँ शूट हुआ है और कितने दिनों में आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया, बिकॉज आप सबके बिजी स्केड्यूल्स हैं?
जी ये हमने लगभग 2 महीने में कंप्लीट किया है. 60 दिन में पूरा स्प्रेड आउट था ये. हमने ये बॉम्बे में शूट किया और ये इतना आउटस्टैंडिंग सिर्फ 2 लोगों की वजह से दिख रहा है, जो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं और जो हमारे सिनेमेटोग्राफर हैं श्रेया. इट इज़ दे आर रिगरस प्री प्लानिंग, प्री प्रोडक्शन प्लानिंग, एंड क्योंकि सेट पे जाके आप एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, सिर्फ सेट पे बैठ के प्लान करने का टाइम नहीं होता है. सो इट इज़ देयर इमैक्युलेट प्री प्रोडक्शन एंड प्रिसिजन दैट हैज़ मेड इट लुक द वे इट इज़, एंड ऑब्वियसली ओवरलुक्ड बाय हर, एंड देन द म्यूजिक कमिंग इन एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कमिंग इन. आई थिंक या
वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि जैसे फर्स्ट सीजन में आपका हिट हुआ था गाना, वैसे ही कोई दूसरा गाना भी आने वाला है फॉर दिस सीजन या?
जी आई थिंक यू केम इन अ लिटिल लेट, डिड यू?
ओके सॉरी, मैंने सुना नहीं फिर.
जी सो हमने 3 गाने अभी सुने इसके ओरिजिनल जो कॉम्पोजिशन है हमारी, एंड ऑल 3 आर ब्यूटिफुल. आई सेड दिस टू द आर्टिस्ट अ कपल ऑफ मिनट्स अगो कि जो म्यूज़िक है हमारी कहानी की सोल है. A lot of people, don't really come out with original soundtracks for their shows, and this is our USP, and I think it's only getting better every season. I think, yeah, it's better than the previous season for sure.
ग्रेट. सो फर्स्ट सीजन में आप दोनों की केमिस्ट्री दिखी, लेकिन इस सीजन में हम श्योर कि जतिन की और हमारे जो दूसरे कैरेक्टर्स
Yes.
सबकी केमिस्ट्री आप लोग के साथ दिखने वाली है, राइट?
Gee, we have like Anuja has joined us, Gaurav has joined us. Anuja is here. Okay, Anuja has joined us. Gaurav's joined us. They were wonderful co-actors, and I think a lot of people will relate to them as well. Their characters, what they want to say through their parts, and you know, it couldn't have been better. You know, yes, जो भी है, it's a collaborative effort, and we are all very glad.
So all the very best, and
Thank you.
सीजन 2 में मजे करते हैं, देखते हैं आप लोगों को. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Thank you for all your questions. And before we wind up, can we have the amazing trailer once again? We've had a lot of people who... Okay, one last question, please.
Hi guys, congratulations. The trailer looks amazing. This is Priyanka from Social Catch-Up, and my question is that, like Harleen mentioned, you know, self-recovery and self-love, it's a long process. But when you go through a heartbreak, what helps you cheer yourself up? Or when you're heartbroken, what, you know, helps you get
Who's
through
this question directed to?
the cast,
the cast?
yes.
Yeah. Like, I think.
Yes, please. And you.
And me.
We'd love to hear it from you as well. Like,
Yaar, sorry, can you just come again with the question?
when you go through a heartbreak, what is
Ji.
that one thing, you know, that helps you get through it or get, I don't know. over
I really
it?
don't know. Now when I look back, I मतलब ये I think हम सबके साथ होता है. You know, when I was a teenager, तब you know बहुत सी चीज़ें हुई हैं ज़िंदगी में, और बहुत ही क्लीशेड क्लासिकल हिंदुस्तानी इंडियन लड़के की तरह मैं गाने लगा के भी रोया हूँ. और आज when I look back at those days, मुझे खुद पे हंसी आती है. I think you are always a better version of yourself, you know, tomorrow than you were yesterday. तो I think वो एक progression है, general progression है. मैंने भी वो सारी चीज़ें की हैं ज़िंदगी में जो एक हर आम आदमी ने की है, आम लड़के ने की है. तो कुछ ऐसा यूनिक नहीं सुनने को मिलेगा आपको मेरी कहानी में.
Okay. Harleen,
Sorry, what's the question again?
what helps you get through a breakup?
I unfortunately cry like Samira. But what helps me, honestly, is meditation. I have a very strong support system in my family and friends. My parents are here. My brother is here. They've been through it all with me. So, yeah, that really helps. And then some great friends like Ekta and, yeah, and then work.
Okay. Ekta ma'am, before we go.
You said cast, yeah. So what helps me in a heartbreak is, of course, mostly it's Harleen sitting in front of me, eating lots of chocolate, discussing broken but beautiful. But I think a great support system, great friends, my gang, my wingmen, they help in a broken heart. And most importantly, what helps you most is realization.
Thank you.
Thank you for your questions. We now wind this up, but we'd like to watch the trailer one more time. Broken but Beautiful Season 2. What a beautiful trailer to watch. Let's watch the trailer before we all go.
बहुत सारे अमेजिंग गाने लेकर आ रहे हैं और आई थिंक जो नया है सीज़न में, जैसे विक्रांत ने कहा कि एक पॉइंट पर विक्रांत और समीरा की वीर और समीरा की स्टोरी ख़त्म हुई थी, वहाँ से कैसे आगे बढ़े. हील तो हो चुके, बट हील होने के बाद क्या वो पूरी तरह से हील हुए, क्या कुछ क्रैक्स अभी भी है कहीं. ये दोनों अपनी ज़िंदगी में आगे तो निकल जाते हैं, पर कैसे वो क्रैक्स कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज़ पैदा करते हैं और कैसे वो अपनी लाइफ उससे आगे फिगर आउट करते हैं. आई थिंक सीज़न 2 में आप ये देखेंगे. और वीर और समीरा फाइनली मिलते हैं या नहीं, ये आप आपको पता लगेगा सीजन 2 में सो ज़रूर देखिएगा।
ओके विक्रांत, इसी के साथ में जिस तरीके से मैंने अभी आपसे पूछा, किस तरीके से आइडिया है कि इस बार सीजन 2 करते हैं, कहाँ से शुरुआत हुई इसकी?
जी देखिए, हमें ये कहीं ना कहीं जिस हिसाब से सीज़न 1 हमने एंड किया था, ये एक चीज़ एट द बैक ऑफ आवर हेड्स तो थी कि हम सीज़न 2 कुछ करेंगे। कब करेंगे वो आइडिया नहीं था, बिकॉज उसके बाद सब अपनी अपनी ज़िंदगियों में बिज़ी हो गए। बट वन आफ्टरनून एकता कॉल्ड मी एंड शी सेड, यू नो, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई थिंक वी हैव इन आवर माइंड्स एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वेरी स्ट्रांगली फील फॉर, और आई थिंक हमें ये करना चाहिए। और जब उन्होंने मुझे बताया, एक जिस्ट दिया एज टू कि हम क्या प्लान कर रहे हैं, इट रियली टुक माई हार्ट अवे, क्योंकि यू नो आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ द फैक्ट जो हमने सीज़न 2 में दिखाया है वो मेरे साथ तो ज़िंदगी में हुआ है। हम सब का दिल टूटा है, हम सब ने प्यार किया है, हम सब ने शिद्दत से भी प्यार किया है, हमें यू नो
वाला भी प्यार किया है।
बहुत लाइक सारी चीज़ें हम अपनी एक ज़िंदगी में एक्सपीरियंस कर लेते हैं। ये बहुत ही जेनेरिक तरीका है मेरे ख्याल से हर इंसान का इस दुनिया में रहने का। तो वो रिलेटिबिलिटी क्वेश्चन जो थी, जो रिलेटिबिलिटी क्वेश्चन था, दैट रियली टुक माई हार्ट अवे एंड आई वांटेड टू से दिस स्टोरी। आई वांटेड टू रीच आउट टू पीपल हु यू नो सॉर्ट ऑफ हैव फेल्ट दैट वे, जिनको कहीं ना कहीं आज एक रिश्ते को वो इतनी अहमियत दे देते हैं कि वो कहीं ना कहीं अकेले बैठ के ये सोचते हैं कि मेरी ज़िंदगी में उस रिश्ते या उस इंसान के अलावा कोई है नहीं। एंड देयर इज़ मच मोर टू लाइफ, यू नो। वीर का एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव है, हरलीन विल बी फार मोर इक्विप्ड टू गिव यू अनदर साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी। तो मेरा ये पर्सपेक्टिव था कि यू नो ये कहानी हमें लोगों तक पहुंचनी चाहिए। मैं शहर का हूँ, मैं बॉम्बे में रहा हूँ पूरी ज़िंदगी, इट्स एन अर्बन लव स्टोरी एंड जो हमारे डायनामिक्स होते हैं यहाँ पे वो बहुत ही थोड़े से अजीब से होते हैं। यहाँ पे सब अपनी ज़िंदगी में इतने मसरूफ़ होते हैं कि पड़ोसी कौन है आपको महीनों महीनों तक पता नहीं चलता है। एंड इतनी भीड़ में रहने के बावजूद आप अकेले हैं, वो हम कहीं ना कहीं इस कहानी से दिखाना चाह रहे थे।
आई थिंक मैं तो पूरी तरह से रिलेट करती हूँ अपने कैरेक्टर से, बिकॉज लाइक विक्रांत सेड, हम सब इस दौर के थ्रू गुजर चुके हैं, सबका हार्ट ब्रेक हो चुका है। तो हर किसी ने लाइफ में, जब आप उतने वाइज नहीं होते तो आपको लगता है कि ये रिलेशनशिप मेरा सब कुछ है। तो तब वो सीज़न 1 की समीरा है। अब सीज़न 2 की समीरा आगे बढ़ती है और वो कैसे फिगर आउट करती है लाइफ अपनी आगे, वो कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज़ भी जैसे कहें तो सब में होती है कहीं ना कहीं। सो जैसे विक्रांत ने कहा, अगेन इट्स अ वेरी रिलेटेबल शो, आप हर कैरेक्टर से रिलेट करेंगे। तो आई थिंक मी एंड विक्रांत, एटलीस्ट आई टॉक फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई डू रिलेट टू समीरा।
ओके, लास्टली कोई एक टिप्स देना चाहिए जो दर्शक जो देख रहे हैं, उनको क्या कहना चाहेंगे रिलेशनशिप के बारे में?
यार मैं तो सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि अभी जैसे मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले आपसे कहा कि यू नो कई बार ये होता है कि हम पीछे मुड़ के कुछ ऐसी चीज़ हमने जो की होती है ज़िंदगी में, हम मुड़ के देखते हैं। एज एक्टर्स भी हमने जो 5 साल पहले काम किया है वो मुड़ के देखते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है ये क्या किया हमने, जबकि लोग उस वक्त लोगों ने बहुत तारीफ़ की होती है। तो वो एक जनरल प्रोग्रेशन है। आई थिंक हमें हार्ट ब्रेक्स को, जो भी डाउनर्स होते हैं ज़िंदगी में, हमें उन चीज़ को इतना सीरियसली नहीं लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज देयर इज़ ऑलवेज सूरज अगले दिन ज़रूर उगता है। वो एक साइकिल है जो दुनिया का दस्तूर है, हज़ारों साल से जो चलता आ रहा है वो होना ही होना है। तो हमें स्पेशली क्योंकि हम दिल की बात कर रहे हैं, सो जिन लोगों के दिल टूटे हैं या जो लोग कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा सोचते हैं कि इस पर्टिकुलर इंसान के बिना मेरी कोई वर्थ नहीं है, आई थिंक यू हैव टू लुक बियॉन्ड दैट एंड लुक विद इन योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज आई थिंक इफ जब तक आप खुद से प्यार नहीं करेंगे कोई आपसे प्यार नहीं कर पाएगा। आई थिंक
यही कहना चाहूँगी कि हार्ट ब्रेक सबके साथ हुआ है, सबके साथ होता है। So that's not the be all and end all of it. Just remember one thing, that this too shall pass. Any downer that happens in life, it's going to pass and there is going to be a new day. Like Vikrant said, सूरज फिर से उगेगा। तो बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि just be connected to yourself. अपने आप की सच्चाई को जानो और सच्चाई से ज़िंदगी जियो। Thank you.